So we are trying very hard to do a one big ass show at the biggest festival in the world. We are going to try to make it into a tour if we can, and we're going to bring back the Never Neverland people. So, most of you who know Annihilator, we just move on, and we sometimes change singers, change lineups. We just keep moving on and having fun and doing our thing. But that album, Never Neverland, was the best album that I was a part of, and so I want to try to get the singer back to the album. So we're not going to play songs from that album tonight, except one. And this song, we are going to be selfish, and we are going to do this song for ourselves. Everybody that's been in Annihilator for the many years, 30, 35 years of Annihilator, everybody says, in the band, all the musicians, say this is their #1 song to play to you. So this is for us, and we hope you like it. It's called Phantasma.